If one thing as a neuroscientist you will ask me that is important in learning, I will say without any doubt neuroplasticity. Many of parents are confused with neuroplasticity. I will explain you in a very simple way. Our brain is plastic, it's like a gel. It's not made up of like a metal, something like that. It's changing, it's very dynamic. So this dynamic change is called as neuroplasticity, and every moment our brain is changing, and we can take the advantage of this changing brain for learning. We can cut our problems or our negative characters in our mind, and we can develop the positive habits or positive ways in our life because of this neuroplasticity. And learning is nothing but the increasing the neuroplasticity, because learning is about synchronicity of the brain and neuroplasticity is about the synchronicity of the brain. So if you want to increase learning, just focus on neuroplasticity. So what is how we can understand neuroplasticity is in our brain or not, and how whether our neuroplasticity is increased or not. See, I will give you an example. If the child loves painting, the child is painting the on a paper, and the child is so much immersed, so much focused, that the child is not having a sense of time. This state of mind is called as flow. In that flow state, our mind is having the highest energy to perform the task at our hand. And when we have this highest energy, we can complete the task within a minute or within a less time. And even we do not feel tired after finishing that task. This is called as flow. If we can manage the flow while studying, then I think that is the most beautiful thing. Then study will not become a kind of a burden for the child, but it will become the thing which will give a fun, which will give them a good kind of a sense of happiness and satisfaction. So we have to understand the flow state of our brain. How we can achieve the flow state? To achieve the flow state of our brain, we just need to be more relaxed. We just have to be happy in our mind. We just have to think very positively. Anger, dissatisfaction, sadness, and poor sleep, and getting more addicted for the gadgets. These all things negatively affect the flow state. The flow state is like in an alpha state. The brain is in a frequency of 10 hertz, and that 10 hertz frequency gives you a cool, comfortable, open focus to learn more and to achieve more. But it is not possible to always continuously have this flow state. After that flow state, like children say when they learn, after some time they get bored. So that boredom is also a part of that, because unless and until we engage and disengage from that things, brain will not be able to process on that. So getting bored is also a good thing, and getting in that flow state is the most important thing. So we have to understand these are the waves like things. The flow state will come, it will be for some time, then it will slow down. Then you will get disinterested from that. Then again you will create the interest for that. So this flow state will come in a waves. You will just have to manage that waves, and you will have to understand that flow when you are at flow state. The students who are having a good discipline, they can manage their flow state at a particular time of the day, and they can schedule their day for accordingly, that highest performance for the difficult task, and that time is a flow time is allotted for the most important task. So in this way we can manage our studies with our energy levels of the flow. So, but to achieve the highest level of the flow or the neuroplasticity, one must do regular exercise, one must balance right and left part of brain, one must do different kind of readings, because reading books increases the neuroplasticity. The nutritional food increases neuroplasticity. Proper sleep increases neuroplasticity. And when we sleep, actually brain is working, and just like when we clean our home and the whole home becomes very sparkling and very beautiful, in the same way our brain becomes sparkling and new when we sleep deep and get up in the morning. So sleep is very important for neuroplasticity. I am going to explain and train your child to improve the flow state of brain and to improve the neuroplasticity of the brain. So it's very easy. It is very achievable. There are different apps I am going to give to your child. Then there are different herbs, different kind of counselings, and different kind of video trainings. So all these things will make your child more smart, more able to understand the flow state, and to make the use of this flow state and neuroplasticity in a maximum way for learning to achieve the success. Thank you so much, and I really wish a success to your child.